Hey guys, welcome to DIY with Lenny. Today I'm going to give you a tour of the projects that I've been doing for 3 weeks now. They're finally done except in this area right here. This needs to be cleaned up and mulch and everything yet. But um, I'm going to give you the tour of all the ones that are done too. The border and the front of the house and the flower pots. And we'll start over here. So this is the front of the garage. Those hostas, I'm gonna take it to my daughter Shella in Wisconsin with me tomorrow. So excuse my mess in there. All right, so this is my first pot. I have my verbena. This is a proven winner, and the Supertunia Bordeaux. I planted this 3 years ago, I think, and I really loved the way the result was. It was really beautiful, and I wanted to repeat a little bit of that pattern this year. And then I planted the coleus in there, you know, for the centerpiece, or your thriller. And I know they get really big, so hopefully in a couple months here they're gonna look beautiful. Okay, and then we're gonna go around here. I just trimmed my dwarf lilac. I think I trimmed that too much, so hopefully it'll flush back all the growth next year. And then this is my south side garden or border that I made. If you have a chance, I made a series of my projects for the borders. So there's part 1 all the way to actually part 8, and it explains everything and shows you step by steps on how to make them. Nothing fancy. This is actually a video that's made for beginners and in a budget. This one over here is this is my yarrow. I have to plant that yet, and I gotta figure out where to put it. And next to it, guys, this is actually chicks and hens perennials, and they're beautiful, and they actually grow very hardy. This is from Wisconsin, and they stand harsh winter, and then they bounce back in spring and summer, and they just grow. So I made like a bunch of pots with it and just plant them all in there, and they just fill it up, and those are pretty cool. I don't know what kind of bush is this. It's got like beautiful pink berries I think in summer, and then in fall it turns black. And then over here, you got your salvia profusion, pink profusion, my sedum. And again, I give you a tour in my part 3 or part 4. So just check out my videos, guys, and then you'll see over there and give you information, all these flowers, what it's all about. They're actually voles repellent. So this is the south side border, garden border.